how to make a transparent header in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own transparent header in Shopify. This means that whatever image or design or color that you have added in your store's first section would be displayed over here instead. So, to have a cohesive image at your store's banner, it's really important to have this kind of transparent header. And to better demonstrate how a transparent header looks like, I'm going to go into online store and edit the Shopify store image that I have so you guys can see what your transparent header can do for you. So I have my image banner and I am just going to select a really nice image. I'm going to click on add images and upload a banner image that I have previously created. And once I upload my banner image, I'm going to add this and then just click on save. Now I want to also change the banner height to medium. And once I do that, or even small, and now I'm just going to click on save. Now to actually make my header transparent, all you have to do is click on online store in your dashboard. Once you do, you're going to click on the three dots on the right side. Now, if you're a newbie or beginner, or if you're just someone that worries about ever messing up your Shopify store, then click on duplicate. This will allow you to create a duplicate of the current version of your store in your theme library. And in case you don't like any of the changes you make or you mess up anything, you can always recover the original version of your Shopify store by publishing the version of your theme that is present in your theme library. Now, once you've completed this step, click on these three dots again, and then click on Edit Code. Once you click on Edit Code, you will see several different folders and files on the left. Now, you can just open up the layout file and then click on theme.liquid. However, if you cannot find theme.liquid, simply just search for theme.liquid and you will see theme.liquid appear. Now, once you do that, depending on the theme that you are using, your body section for your theme is going to end at a different spot. So for Windows or for Mac, you're just going to type in Command F and this will pop up at the bottom. Or if you are on Windows, you're going to press Control F and this is going to pop up. Now, once this pops up, you're going to go into the Find tab and then type in /body. Once you click on /body, click on Next, and this will highlight /body over here. Once it highlights /body, you're going to place your cursor on the line above /body, okay? And then you're going to press return. Now I have one empty space over here. You can press return multiple times, it really doesn't matter. Just make sure that /body is below your cursor, okay? Once you've created a blank space, you're going to copy this code and I will leave a link to this in the description box. Otherwise, it's present on Pastebin, pastebin.com/H2W1Y, AH capital F, no, yeah. AH capital F, yeah. So it's capital H2W1Y and then a small AH and then a capital F. And then this is going to be the screen that pops up, okay? Now, from there, you're just going to copy this code. Make sure to copy all 19 lines. Don't ever copy it incorrectly. I see a lot of people do this and then they skip out a line, or they copy like this and they skip out a line, or a even detrimental mistake is this, when you accidentally miss out the brackets. So if you miss out anything in the code, then your code is not going to work properly. Now, what you're going to do is you're just going to copy it as it is and then go back into your store and then paste it. Once you paste it, you're going to click on save. And once you click on save, you can click on preview store. And you guys can see our header has now become transparent. So just like that, we have this amazing seamless look on our website. This looks especially nice when you have a transparent header and you have a video playing or you have a really nice image in the background. This looks amazing. However, there are more customizations that you can do. Now, I do always recommend whenever you're using transparent headers, you always keep in mind the visibility of the text. You guys can see my text is not very visible. Either you can solve this problem by making your image darker or lighter. So you can add a black overlay onto your image, and this will help you in making everything more readable. So if I go into my store customization and scroll down, I will have the image overlay capacity, and I can add a super thick overlay onto my image. And then for my header, I can change the header colors. So I would actually change the text color to be white instead. So currently the text color it's black or gray, and I'm going to click on change, and I'm going to add this color scheme instead. So the colors are now white, and now it's super nice and visible. So now if I preview my store, you guys can see that my text on my menu bar is still pretty visible. Now, although this solves all of our problems and we have successfully added a transparent header onto our Shopify store, there is one more customization that you can actually do. So, if you want to actually adjust the transparency of your header, you're going to replace the word transparent in your code with RGB bracket 255, comma 255 and 0.5. Now, the RGB is how you adjust the color, and the A is the alpha or transparency. So in this particular example, we're going to set the transparency to 50%, and you can play around with these values to adjust the colors and transparency. So to actually do this, just click on these three dots and click on edit code as we previously did. And now we're going to go to the same place where we added our previous code. Now, you guys can see it says transparent in green over here. So where it says transparent in green, you're going to type this in, and I'm going to copy it because I had it written down before. I'm just going to copy that, and then I'm going to select the word transparent, and I'm going to type that in. Now, if I click on save over here, and I click on preview store, you guys can see my header is semi-translucent, so the original header color is white and it's going to appear once more. You can play around with the transparency and the coloring. So if I want to add a bit more red to this, I can add or adjust the value of red, and then I'm going to click on preview, and this would add more red. If I want this to be slightly less transparent, or slightly more transparent, I'm going to set that as 0.5. And then we're just going to increase the values here. I'm just going to reduce how much blue and green we have. We're going to increase red like this. Now, if I click on preview store, you guys can see it is tinted red semi-translucent, and you can really play around with these colors so it better fits with your Shopify store color scheme. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.